What is going on, guys? Man, today I'm gonna try to replace the hood release cable for my G, because these come with the surrounding part, the rubber from the outside. So as you can see, the cable is starting to wear out. It's cracked, so the inside of the wire is starting to rust. Right there too. So there's a possible chance that in the future the cable can break and I will be unable to open my hood, which you don't want that happening. So peep the drip though. Got the focus on. But I went to the junkyard and got this. It was about 18 bucks, versus buying a brand new one from Z1 Motorsports for about 100 bucks. Yeah, they are compatible with the sedans as well. So if you can't find a coupe at your junkyard, look into the sedans. You just want to make sure all this grommet comes in, or it's included. You don't really need this, but this is just a clip that hangs from right there, and then these rubber parts, and then you do want this little plastic thing. This is actually a pretty good spot for photos, man. But also another thing I'm gonna be doing is I'm probably gonna take these letters off because they're getting old now. They look crusty, look like shit white, man. And they're peeling, so I'm probably just gonna run them with the graphite wheels, the black look, make it look clean for a while, and then I'll probably go back with the white letters. I don't know, man, like it looks aggressive and it looks nice, but I want to make it look simple and clean. I'm also thinking of getting the banner in black to make it look sleek, and then I'm gonna get probably some Z1 stickers in black, just to give it kind of like that subtle look. From far away you won't be able to tell, but once you get up close you'll be like, oh, okay. So these are OEM replacement fender liners. As you can see, once again they fucked up, man. These always fuck up. Well, no, it's really my bad because I didn't put them on to the bumper. I actually just fucking let them sit there with some zip ties, and then the zip ties got fucked up. So those were 50 bucks each, so there goes $100 wasted. But my buddy, he bought some cheap ones for like 30 bucks for a pair. Honestly, man, it's just plastic. It's gonna fuck up anyways. So I'm gonna start going with these in case I ever fuck up, man, because like I said, it's plastic. It's the same shit, man. The only really difference between the OEMs and these is the OEM have like a metal bracket. I mean, everything should bolt up, man. So I'm gonna try to replace that as well. But yeah, man, we're gonna go to the shop now and do all of this shit, man, and hopefully I'll get it done today. I think one of my wheel bearings is going out, bro. It sounds like shit. Like I can feel it. But just turn up the music a little bit loud and it'll all go away, man. So the latch runs, from right here over to the fender liner. It goes out through here, so you're gonna have to remove this. It's 2 bolts right here. And these 2 right there. And then one in the back, which is not really coming off for some reason. And then you will have to take this clip off, which connects this fender liner. And you will have some up top, but mine are missing, so I don't have to worry about that shit. Yeah, so for whatever reason that one's not coming off, so we're just gonna let that hang. I got the top one off, so it's gonna chill right here. And this is the grommet that you will remove. So now that I'm taking that off, you can definitely see where this is routed towards the back. Sorry there's some wind, but you're gonna have to remove this, and then 1 and 2 bolts up here, which hold the OBD, or whatever it's called, where the OBD sensor plugs up. Pull it from up top over here, and then you're gonna have to remove the latch itself, make it go over. It's way over there. That is where the cable wire is. So this grommet, all you gotta do is wiggle it and it'll pop off, and now you will be able to take this off. go over here and remove the clip from right there. So you're going to have to remove this little part. All you gotta do is get it from the bottom, and the clips will come off. You'll have to get through this little part. It's where the fuse box is over here. There's a bolt right there. You unscrew, and then the tough part is trying to kind of take this off from right there. But you just gotta tug it and it'll come off. That way it'll give you space. So over here, if you see that hole right there, or where that bracket is, that U bracket, that's where the cable goes. And all you gotta do is pull it out from outside. So next, this is what I will be using. You're going to take off the spring that's attached right there, so you have space to remove the green part from underneath. That thing's fucked up. Holy shit, man. Look at that. Crazy. And that thing looks like some fucking Tostitos, cuz. Look at that shit. It's like corn chips. So now you're just going to do everything backwards. You're gonna bolt it up to the clip and run it through the wrap support through the front. You're just gonna tuck it there. Let the green part sit. And make sure it works, which it does. And then of course connect the spring back. Make sure you don't lose this shit, man. So I still have yet to figure out how I'm going to route this up top. Maybe make it go over here or under there, because I gotta install the new fender. But now all we gotta do is just pull this in and put the grommet through. So I did put a little bit of PV Blaster to lubricate this, because when you try to pull the grommet back and forth, it's gonna have friction and it's not gonna really move or have much playroom. So you want to spray lube this. That way you're able to play around with it, and then you can use like a flathead to try to put this in with the corners, and you should be good. Just make sure it's completely sealed from around it. It is now through, and you're gonna fish it out from here and pull it, and then put it back to where this hole is. All right, it's in, man. So that's where these little butterflies kind of attach, they hold on to. All right, moment of truth, man. All right, we're good. Here we have the new cheap fender. Everything is bolted up here. Here, here. You get the point. And I gotta make sure it's bolted up from the back, so it doesn't fuck up again, man. And we also have all this shit installed back. So you can just do everything backwards and you'll be good, man. And just like that, guys, we are done. Again, just put everything back into reverse, and the same thing for the components inside, man. But I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you guys are new, check out my channel. I post a lot of VQ content. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.